I was told about this tool created by Gaurav where it manages your links on your WordPress website, your redirects, but mainly how you could shorten some of your links. And I feel like this is really, really useful, especially if you're using social media for marketing. You know, when you got really massive links, like you got your domain, you might have category, you might have a subpage, you might have a product, and it goes on and on and on. And you just want to shorten it down because you want it to be more concise and basically not use up all your characters in Twitter, for instance. I'm going to have a look at this by installing it and just showing you what it does. Oh, and I should mention that it's completely free. I don't know Gaurav. He hasn't asked me to promote this, okay? I heard about it in the WP Weekly newsletter, and I think this has got legs. I've installed and activated the plugin, and you can see it's in our WordPress sidebar called GT Links. I'm going to go over to, well, first thing, let's just jump over to license. Go and drop in your license, and you would have got that at the time you went and set up your account. By the way, this is free. You would have got it. It's on your receipt as well, so you just go and add that in or go back to the website. So make a note of that. It takes seconds to do. Obviously, this is empty. Let me just quickly jump over to import export. So if you've gone and set this up and you've got multiple websites where you are using similar URLs maybe, then you could import and export. I mean, I don't see a massive need for this because I feel like they'll be quite individual per website. Settings 301, which is a permanent move. 302 is temporary. 307 is like temporary, but it's to do with like the form settings in the background for the post. Very, very rarely, in fact, probably never will you ever use 307. You're more likely to use 301. 302 is more like when you have a staging website, maybe. Now let's go back over to all links and click add new. My link name is going to be Elemental Course. I've added in the destination URL and you can see it is quite long. And this is why I think stuff like this is really good. And the fact it's free as well. I could, if I want now, change the entire slug as well. And then I'm just going to hit save link. Let's just go and copy that URL for a moment. So let's test this out. I've dropped in the link. I hit return and it's gone straight away to the page. Like literally just 301 straight away. There was practically no lag or delay. It's just gone over. So I could now share that link in my social media post rather than having a longer one and it will go to where it needs to go to. Now this is being done on a test website, so I would have a better branded URL. So if I know I've got broken links or I'm being informed by SEO or some other tool that, you know, there's an old post somewhere, canonical or whatever, and it's not going to the right place, I could now go and set this up. Now, please don't forget, a lot of SEO tools and other solutions and other code snippets out there could happily set up your redirects. What I like about this is how it allows me to just set up brand new shortened links. The fact that this is free is great. Well done, Gaurav. I like it. It's lightweight. It works. It does the job. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. Sign up for our YouTube channel for access to exclusive videos. Take care, because I'll keep seeing you. Bye.